Hello there, fellow seekers of self, and welcome back to Abundant Life Manifestations, where we explore the depths of our minds, hearts, and souls. Today, we're diving into a transformative psychological concept known as shadow work. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button, and don't forget to ring the bell to stay updated with our latest insights. Now let's illuminate the dark corners of our psyche, shall we? Now you might be wondering, what exactly is shadow work? It's a term coined by Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung, and it refers to the process of exploring your inner darkness or shadow self. This is the part of you that stays hidden, containing all your fears, suppressed emotions, and aspects of yourself that you'd rather not admit to having. Some have even said that performing shadow work is one of the most authentic paths to enlightenment. Sounds a bit scary, right? Well, it can be, but it's also incredibly freeing. When we do shadow work, we learn to accept and integrate these darker parts of ourselves, leading to incredible personal growth and self-understanding. Now let's get to the crux of the matter. How do you do shadow work? It's a journey of self-exploration, and it involves three main steps: identification, understanding, and integration. We'll walk you through each step, provide techniques and tips, and before you know it, you'll be a shadow work pro. Step 1. Identification. Start by asking yourself some tough questions. What are the aspects of yourself that you're uncomfortable with? What traits do you dislike in others? What emotional triggers do you currently have? What addictions do you have? These might just be a reflection of your own shadow. Step 2. Understanding. This is where you dive deep. Try to understand why you feel this way about these aspects. Journaling, meditation, and dream analysis can be great tools for this. And finally, step 3. Integration. This is the part where you embrace your shadow self, warts and all. It's not about eradicating your darkness, but about accepting it as part of your whole self. By doing so, you can start to heal parts of yourself that may have needed healing since your childhood. That's it for today's introduction to shadow work. Remember, this is a deeply personal journey, and it's different for everyone. Take your time, be kind to yourself, and embrace the journey. Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave us a comment about your experiences. Until next time, keep shining that light, folks.